Ladies and gentlemen, your Los Angeles Kings.
I'm Don Taylor along with Jim Houston. Jim, they should really try to focus on the head games. You know, really mess with the other guy's brains so that even if they lose, they still had a great time.
Wisnowski gets checked. Lowry, Schneider, shoulders him. Savard scoops it up. Iginla, Potvin, close the door.
I like what he's doing in there.
He takes control of the puck. Deadmarch gets checked. Lowry picks off the puck. Iginla, Potvin with a big glove save.
He has no qualms about stepping in front of fast-moving pucks, Jim, and it shows in his work.
Smolinski gets checked. Iginla cranked him. Deadmarch gets pushed. Shoved. Deadmarsh shoots it hard. Turek denied him.
Jim, he's a highly animated guy.
Dropped. Halfie. Wrist shot. The door is shut by Turek.
He's pouncing on pucks like a big padded catman.
Wilm with a wrist shot. Tuomainen lays out Saprikin.
That hit was just his way of saying, hey, everybody, I got game.
Wilm fired it. Blocked. Nordstrom gets knocked down.
He's such a rascal.
Breakaway. Cowan one-times it. Saved by Potvin. Cowan fires. Saved by Potvin. Los Angeles got it. Conroy. Shoulders stumble. Offside. Los Angeles.
Stage for the ride, but I'm driving solo.
Did he ever take a great snapshot?
But the goalie met it with an even greater save.
I don't wanna go.
Regier gives up the puck. Murray gets mowed down.
He didn't have to hit him, Jim. That was a courtesy.
Nordstrom hip checks Cowan.
That kind of hitting is full-bodied and dry, with just a hint of oak.
Nordstrom is going off for roughing. Delayed penalty call coming up for Los Angeles.
He got a little too excited there, although I'm sure he meant well.
That'll put them down a guy. Puckman stoned him cold.
He's kicking him aside with gusto, Jim.
Schneider gets checked. Schneider shoots it. Buchberger gets in the way. Savard. Belanger. Fires. Glove save by Turek.
That save was noteworthy, or I wouldn't be talking right now.
Turek freezes the puck. Rips a shot, grabbed by Turek.
Sensational.
Turek hangs on for the whistle. Niedermeyer shoots. Potvin made the great glove save.
He's quite possibly the guru of goal.
Los Angeles takes possession. Niedermeyer flattens Carolati. Shot it. Blocked. Niedermeyer gets run over.
And thus he continues to spread his message of peace.
Emerson gets checked.
My Ouija board said that hit would happen. It also said my sofa would marry a goat.
Schantz shoots the puck. Potvin stabbed at it. Schantz shoulders Emerson.
He's trying hard to create the money shot out there.
Knocked him off the puck. Clark shoves Smolinski. Deadmarch grabbed it. Schantz gets past Miller. Saved by Potvin. Shot the puck. Tuomainen.
Last minute of play in the first period.
Wilm, wrist shot. Potvin made the save.
Attention,
The Kings
fans.
find
This just
themselves
in.
locked in a tie as
Those
this period
weren't
draws to a
really hot
close.
dogs. You just
Tie
ate.
game, exciting close contest, or boring non-event. You decide. Hi, I'm Don Taylor with Jim Houston for NHL 2002. Welcome back to the game that keeps me awake nights pondering the wayward course of humanity. It's guys who are just like him who know how to skate. Did that make sense?
To avoid a long, drawn-out discussion, I'm just going to go with yes. Warenka pushes Palfi. Scores!
I wouldn't say that was a bad goal, Jim. More like atrocious. Darn, because of that goal, I now owe my imaginary friend
Los Angeles
$5.
goal, scored by number 33, Zygmunt
Turnover.
Palfi, assisted by number 21,
Hines shoulders Clark.
He's definitely not afraid of a little manual labor.
He has it. Chance. Big glove save by Potvin. LaPerriere gets the pass from Potvin. Emerson. Turek closed the door. Calgary with it now. Chance rips it. Grabbed by Potvin.
You might say he's got the gift of the grab.
Bowled over. Roughed up. He gets a hold of it. Niedermeyer gets checked. Niedermeyer. Mowed down.
He's throwing himself around with total disregard for his own safety.
Laid out.
He's running a campaign of pain.
Niedermeyer gets checked. Flattened. Niedermeyer levels Miller. Cowan. Conroy gets checked. Vishnowski scoop.
They're going back and forth.
And forth and back.
And back again.
It looks like these two guys will be taking a mandatory rest for fighting.
Somebody check him for jewelry.
Los Angeles penalty to number 28, Adam Deadmarsh, a 5-minute major
Tuomainen
for
slaps
fighting.
it.
Calgary penalty to number
Niedermeyer.
12, Jerome Aginla, a
Check from
5-minute
behind.
major
File
for
that
fighting.
hit under C for cold and or.
Palfi scores!
Man, that puck was buzzing along like nobody's business.
Los Angeles goal, scored by number 33, Zygmunt.
He scores!
You couldn't do that with a potato. And really, why would you want to? Good question.
Calgary is now losing by 3.
They're really lulling them into a false sense of security.
Los Angeles goal, scored by number 12, Marco
Knockdown.
Tuomainen,
That hit was
assisted by
90%
number 33,
perspiration and 10%
Zygmunt Palfi,
also
and
perspiration.
by number
Karate
21,
drops
Ryan
Wilm.
Smolinski.
And lo, he did visit upon him a terrible aching.
Wilm shoulders LaPerriere.
He's a human bumper car.
Petrovicki shoulders Emerson.
Just think of it as a preemptive strike.
Push.
No doubt about it, Jim, he's one hard-hitting Homo sapien.
Palfi shoots it hard. Knocked over.
Suffice it to say that if he'd been a jelly donut, there'd be jelly everywhere.
Crushed. Check. Lowry takes control. Vishnowski gets checked. Gets away a hard shot. Kramchuk misses the net. Los Angeles has it now. Tuomainen turned away by Turek.
He's a big, bad blocker-wielding backstop.
Niedermeyer gets checked.
That hit had a really cool sound effect.
Murray gets checked. LaPerriere fires it. Turek denied him.
He has a flair for the dramatic, Jim.
Niedermeyer gets bowled over.
Earth-shaking shenanigans. I love it.
Niedermeyer laid out.
Last minute of play in the second
Gauthier
period.
gets checked. Regier shoulders Johnson. Regier, Calgary grabbed it. Los Angeles has a 3-goal lead and has been playing magnificently.
I openly endorse their brand of hockey. It should be taught in all public schools instead of math. Over the hill and into the dale. It's butt-kicking hockey. Welcome back to the festivities. Now let's get it started.
Gauthier will skate circles around you if you let him.
I'll keep that in mind next time I'm out there.
The Kings go outside.
Everyone was looking for the loose goose, but only one could put it in the caboose.
Regier quickly passed. Cowan shoulders Emerson. Los Angeles scooped it up. Hines fires. Niedermeyer stops the shot. The ref indicates a delayed call. Regier is going to the box for roughing. They have a one-man advantage now. Los Angeles is faring incredibly well
Calgary
at
penalty
faceoffs.
to
It should
number
help them, but
28,
not sure
Levin
how.
Regier.
It should.
2 minutes
Bowled
for
over.
roughing.
Smolinski. Door slammed shut by Turek.
The goalie belittled that shot.
Here's that big save by Potvin.
Now they really must be wondering, what does it take? He's unbeatable.
Cleared away. Petrovicki shoulders Miller.
He's just blowing off a little steam, Jim.
Palffy gets shoved. Los Angeles gobbles it up. Deadmarsh shoved. Turned over in the neutral zone. Bugner gets checked.
Now, there's a guy who could use a vacation.
Deadmarsh gets muscled off the puck. Palffy fires it hard. Turek stoned him cold. Picked up by Calgary. Hit. Palffy. Smolinski stoned by Turek.
And a save is born.
Turek came up huge on that last shot.
He made the one-timer look like child's play.
Savard gets in the way. Iginla stoned cold by Potvin.
Oh, he's getting a little showy with the glove.
That's offside. Nordstrom shoots it. Saved by Turek. Niedermeyer, hard shot. Potvin stabbed at it. Niedermeyer, Potvin denies him.
He saved the day with his trusty pad.
Turned over. Cowan shoved. Run over. LaPerriere cranks one. taken out. Los Angeles takes possession of the puck. Emerson gets checked.
He nipped him in the bud, so to speak.
Iginla. Modry gets checked. LaPerriere. Los Angeles grabbed it, sent flying. Lowry dipsy doodles around Schneider. Vishnowski shoulders Lowry. Iginla shot the puck. He picked it up. Shoved. Deadmarsh with a wrist shot. Los Angeles corrals it. Miller gets checked.
And all in the name of spirited competition.
Gotta love it. Potvin made the save. Nordstrom has been nailed for high sticking. Delayed penalty coming up for Los Angeles. It'll put them into a shorthanded position.
Los Angeles penalty to number 14, Matthias Nordstrom. 2 minutes for high sticking. Last minute of play to the
Returns it.
third
Grabbed
period.
by Turek. Schneider shot. Saved by Turek. Turek had his pocket pick. That's it. Los Angeles wins the game.
Jim, I love their defensive game. It was legendary.
And now
From
for
Los
the
Angeles,
three-star
California,
selection.
I'm Tim
Tonight's
Houston with
third
Don
star
Taylor.
For
So
Los
long for
Angeles,
now.
number 12, Marco Tuomani. Tonight's second star for Los Angeles, number 39, Felix Potvin. And tonight's first star for Los Angeles, number 33, Zygmunt Palffy.